Namaste and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an incredible simple Ayurveda recipe that is not only going to detoxify your body but also going to cleanse and reduce the belly fat, especially for women after the delivery. So, during this postpartum period from the day 3 after the delivery to day 10, you are going to follow this simple Ayurveda recipe that is going to reduce in weight and cleanse your uterus and balance your hormones, completely give you a fresh look. So, let us go to the recipe. This simple powerful Ayurveda recipe is combines of black pepper seeds, cumin seeds, palm jaggery, ginger and turmeric. So, let us get started. You need 4 black pepper cones. Black peppers are good in boosting your digestive fire and releases any toxins in your body and cleanse your channels. This is also going to improve your immune system and also improve the metabolism. Number 2, a small piece of ginger. So, ginger is going to improve the digestion, reduces inflammation and enhances the metabolism. Number 3, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are good to pacify the excessive air in your body and cleanse your uterus and releases any blood clots from the uterus and helps to shrink the uterus muscle. And also it is going to aid in weight loss. Number 4 is quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. So, turmeric powder is very good in reducing the inflammation. It has plenty of antioxidants and also going to reduce your belly fat and also it is going to help you in cleanse your body. And the 5th one is 1 teaspoon of palm jaggery. If you are unable to get palm jaggery, you can alternate it with palm sugar or coconut sugar. Palm jaggery is the best one as it has so much of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties and also it is going to remove the blood clots completely and going to cleanse your uterus. So, these powerful herbs are going to cleanse your body and boost your digestive fire and balance the hormones and going to reduce the overall body fat and belly fat. You have to start grinding with black pepper cones and then add the cumin seeds and then turmeric powder and the piece of ginger. So, one by one you are going to add it in a mortar and you are going to crush it with a pestle and slowly make it into fine powder and add 1 teaspoon of water and make it as a paste. Once these herbs are become blend with water and become a fine paste, you are going to add the 1 teaspoon of palm jaggery and again you are going to mix it well and make it as a smooth soft paste. So, after the delivery from the 3rd day to 10th day, you are going to take this recipe in between 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. early morning in empty stomach. After that, you can take your regular food in 30 minutes gap. So, when you are following this strictly for this 3rd day to 10th day, it is going to completely remove any blood clots from your uterus and going to stabilize your digestive fire and also balance your hormones, reducing the excessive body fat. For women who are not in this postpartum period and still you want to reduce your body fat, you can take this recipe for the number of 21 days daily early in the morning. So, when you are following this diet, you must strictly follow particular diet. So, that is going to enhance more in good result. These are the things you need to avoid when you are taking these recipes. You have to avoid oily food, processed food, meat item, seafoods, junk foods, any refined foods like refined flour, refined sugar, refined oil, any spicy food and you are going to strictly follow this, and you will see a good change in your body when you are following this for 21 days. So, those who are having repeated cravings for junk foods, this pattern is going to change when you are taking this particular recipe. Try this and see the results, and comment below your experiences, and stay tuned to my channel. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and share this to your friends or family members. And in next video I will share you another simple recipe for detoxify your body and reduce your belly fat during the postpartum period. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.